आप सभी को नवरात्रि की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Hello everyone, this is Isha Prakash. I'm standing here to do conversation with my friend Selja on topic Navratri. Hello Selja.
How are you, Isha?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm also nice.
Where are you going to visit this fair, this Durga Puja fair?
I'm planning to go Adiba.
Adikungla. Okay, there are, in Jubilee there are lots of places to visit because of the idol of some places are very beautiful. Do you know any place where the idol is very beautiful?
Yes, I know the idol of Gaushala. Very beautiful.
Beautiful. So, have you purchased all the things and shopping for the Sahara?
Yes, I already purchased everything.
Okay. So, with whom are you going to visit this Sahara?
I'm planning to go with my friends.
Good, yaar.
What about you?
You know, this Sahara will not be good for me because my parents are going somewhere for their medical purpose. So, this time I want to go anywhere because there is no anyone.
Okay, so you can come with me. I'll pick up you.
Oh really?
Yes.
It will be great if you will pick up me and we will both go to visit fair together. It is enjoyable, right now?
Yes, very enjoyable. We will eat so many things.
Yeah, you know what my favorite is? We will eat both together, water pose and all the things on the fair. Okay.
Yes.
So, will you go? We should decide to go with our friends along with us. Some other friends like Nandani, Juhi.
Yes, they are good. I will tell them.
Okay, you will tell them and make me sure that they will be going with us because it should be sure to go.
Okay, I will inform you.
And the moment will be enjoyable and we will enjoy both together.
Yes.